Hello, this is me, Miss Gina. Now I am going to present Aloevera Thai dessert. These are all the ingredients: aloe vera, sugar, syrup, and pandan. Don't forget to choose big aloe vera and cut them into pieces. But don't forget, do not use at the end part. After you cut them into pieces, then wash them. Be sure it's all clean and you remove all the sticky part. Then now I am going to show you how to take out the meat. Take the thorn out first from side to side. Be sure all thorns out. Now, peel off the skin. Okay. Take out the meat. But be careful, it is slimy. It may cut your finger. Okay. Aloe vera is look like this. It's very clear. Meat is slimy. It looks like a crystal. Meat is thick and slimy. Then add a bit of salt and mix them with your aloe vera. Salt helps to remove all the slimy part. Wash them with mixing salt, and you will feel the difference from the first time. Be sure you remove all slimy and wash for the second time. Then you have to prepare aloe vera and boil the water. And slowly put them into the pot. Leave them for a while. Don't forget to cover it. Wait until boil. As you see, aloe vera is floating on top. Then remove them from the pot and ready to wash one more time. Wash them again. You see, there is no slimy at all. And then you can cut them into pieces like this. It depends. What size do you like? For me, this is the right size. It's small pieces. Then wash your pandan. But if you don't have pandan, you can use any liquid flavoring. Tie them like a bow. Just to fit them into the pot. That's why we tie them. And it will be look like this. And then put a bit of salt into the water. Now put your aloe vera into the pot. With your pandan as well. And mix them together. Don't forget to add 1 cup of sugar. And it depends, if you don't have cup of sugar, then you can use syrup. And also it depends how sweet do you want. Leave them for a while again until it's boiled. Yes, if you don't have sugar, use syrup. Wow, now it's boiling. I think it's okay. When it's boiled means ready to eat. You can put some ice or put it in the fridge for a while. Then ready to eat. Wow.
Yummy, really yummy. It's tasty and sweet. It's aloe vera, pure aloe vera. How nice. Feel really fresh. And do it at home. It's very easy, tasty and yummy. Bye-bye.